Hey everyone! So let us see in today's video the most common questions asked to Google about breast reduction surgery, and I shall try to answer them for you. So the first question is, how breast reduction works? Well, breast reduction surgery works by removal of excessive breast glands, that is most commonly done from the lower and outer part of the breast. So we remove this excess tissue which is causing the heaviness, and then we reshape the breast into a more reduced and uplifted position. Second question, how safe is breast reduction surgery? Now, breast reduction surgery is really a safe procedure, provided that you go to the right surgeon to get your procedure. Now, safety in this procedure is regarding the infection that you can have, or the bleeding that you can have, or in fact, a general risk that is there in the procedure. So in general, breast reduction surgery is not a very risky procedure. The main thing that we are concerned about is the nipple-areolar blood supply, and that we incorporate in the design so that the maximum chances that the NAC supply is intact. And all in all, it is generally a very safe procedure to do. Third question, how much breast reduction surgery costs? So of course, a very common question, and in general I'll tell you that the cost will depend upon the surgeon that you choose, how heavy your breasts are, and what is the facility at which you are getting operated. So in general, I can put the figure to 2 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs. But it really depends on what is the procedure that you're going through and whether you're doing any other procedure along with your breast reduction surgery, like in a mommy makeover surgery. Now let us go to the next question. Does breast reduction surgery reduce the risk of breast cancer? Now again, very commonly asked, whether it increases or reduces the risk. I will say that there is not much correlation between breast cancer incidence and breast reduction surgery. So because the most common breast cancer is the ductal carcinoma. So these ductal carcinoma, they arise from the ducts, and that usually is not harmed or not touched during this procedure because we don't touch the nipple per se. And the nipples are the area where the ducts are most densely present. So as such, there is no data to prove or disprove, but there is no major correlation between breast reduction surgery and breast cancer incidence. Now, next question, how long is breast reduction surgery? Well, again, generally the procedure lasts about 3 to 3.5 hours, but if we are dealing with very heavy breasts, which is gigantomastia, that means that these breasts are very, very huge to deal with. So in that case, of course, it will take longer because we want to proceed with caution and reduce the blood loss as we do the surgery. So the last question, how painful is breast reduction surgery? I think I would say most commonly asked to me. So breast reduction surgery, as I've already told you in many of the videos earlier also, it's not a very painful surgery. Although people do feel that because breasts are sensitive areas, the surgery will also be very, very painful. It is not so. Because before we remove the tissue, we do infiltrate some local anesthetic into the breast tissue, and that takes care of the initial pain after the procedure. During the surgery, of course, there is no pain because it is done under anesthesia. Even afterwards, the area in which we operate is generally not a very pain-sensitive area. So pain is largely manageable with medications, and you can sleep on the sides or even on your back comfortably after the surgery. Although if you do have breakthrough pain, then we do prescribe additional painkillers to take care of that breakthrough pain also. So all in all, it is a procedure that one can go through without much pain, and the recovery is also not very tedious. So here was the common list of questions asked to Google about breast reduction surgery. If you have more questions popping on your mind, then definitely write them in the comment box below. I shall be very happy to answer them. And you all know that we've posted several information about breast reduction surgery. Do go through those videos. We'll post some links in the description box below, and do share it with your friends who may need the information. Do like our video and subscribe to the channel SB Aesthetics and press the notification bell so that you can get notifications for the new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.